Kung quality house ang hanap mo as in pulido, magugustuhan mo tong modern 2-story duplex dito sa may Pilar Village, Las Piñas. Ang luwag ng kanilang 2-vehicle carport, kasya dyan SUV and van. At pagpasok mo, impressive din yung open layout na living, dining and kitchen area. Maaliwalas nga ang buong bahay eh. Branded pa yung mga windows niya as in double glaze. Meron ka ditong storage room. Even yung mga kitchen appliances, branded din. Tapos soft close yung mga kitchen cabinets. Ito yung kanyang powder room. Tapos meron kang daily kitchen katabi yung helper's room na may sariling bathroom. Panoorin mo rin yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Nandun yung price and full details. Ito yung bedroom number 1. Total of 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor. Tapos may common bathroom yung 2 bedrooms. At maaliwalas at maluwag ang master bedroom. Meron kasi siyang balcony at may own bathroom. Follow and subscribe ka na ha kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. At ito na nga yun. Reasonable kasi yung price. Follow for more.